Yeah, we're gonna be doing a burping contest. I'm Lindsay and this is Gabby. So we're gonna give us a minute to chug our soda, and then we're gonna see who wins at the burping contest. Loudest, more burps, whatever. However you want to take it, bitches!
I'm gonna have a heart attack.
I feel it.
Save a little. I feel like I'm gonna puke.
Alright, we gotta wait for it to settle.
Sorry if I puke. This wasn't a good idea. Don't make me laugh. I'm gonna puke.
There's one.
Alright, I'm done. No, I really don't. I can't chug soda. I have to lay back again.
You look like he's planning the shit.
Yep. Oh my god, it's like right here in my throat.
Just push a little.
Do that.
Don't upset me, Jim.
I won't. I think it's going away. I'm waiting. That's the one I wanted. It smells like ass. Seriously, that really smells. I haven't burped once.
Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
No, it'll come.
It's like right here in my throat. It's like gradually making.
Do you know how to make yourself burp?
No, it never works.
You gotta like go.
No, because if I push it out, I'll puke.
There you go.
Yours smell like ass.
Good!
What did you eat today?
Your mom.
Probably. I wouldn't doubt it. I need to like push my diaphragm.
Lindsay's in the lead!
I lose by default. I can't do it. I don't know why.